Misty, want treats?
Oh.
Misty get a treat for wearing your shoes? No, no. You want your treat? Can you dance on your shoes? Yes, you can.
Oh.
You got your dancing shoes on? You dance for me? Misty, come here. Here you go. I can't. No, you can't. Misty, come here. Come here. Good girl. You sit.
Oh.
Whoa. Sit.
She sounds like she has tap shoes on. I'm sorry. I'm laughing. No,
Misty, come
Misty,
here.
Misty.
Misty, no, no.
Misty.
Oh, look at her figure out how to use the Velcros.
Next, let's see if she can figure out the zippers.